Hi guys, today I'll be doing my review on the Amica integrated slimline dishwasher. Now for all you guys who've never fitted an appliance before, there's some parts that you might need, like longer hoses, T-valves, dual spigot drainage, different things like that I've come across, so just bear that in mind. First of all, I want to start with the control panel, which is located at the top of the door like usual with normal dishwashers. We've got the on button on this side. Let's turn this on. Gives a nice chime there. Now we've got 4 buttons at the side. P is for the programming. The clock symbol is for like delayed timer. We've got the half symbol for half load washes, and then we've also got like a little dish sign with the steam shape going through it, which is for intense drying. Now moving over to this stage of the display, we've got some symbols on here. We've got a display which obviously shows you minutes and different things like that. Just starting on this side, we've got the auto, which the auto is for automatic program, which is between 45 and 55 degrees Celsius. We've got the intensive, sign of the pan. We've got the normal. We've also got the little dish sign which we're talking about on this side, which is the dish steamer. At the bottom we've got eco, 60 degrees, 40 degrees, and the half symbol again. Now also we've got 2 little symbols on here. One's like an S and the one's like a bit of a sun shape. Now these mean, once they light up, that the dishwasher salt and the rinse aid need refilling, which I can show you the different compartments where they live. This is the rinse aid. Got a little tiny thing there. Dishwasher salt. Let's take the bottom tray out. We've got this cap here. Now the next thing is the racks themselves. We've got the bottom one, which is mainly for plates, pots, pans, different things like that. We've got these little nifty additional like storage racks where you can lift them back up, push them back down. It's only on this section on this side, very handy. Slides in and out, very easy. The second one, which we've just found out, it has these kind of balancing trays on for like bottles and caps and different things like that. It's very handy for cups, glasses, all different things like this. But also as well, we've noticed that once we put plates in the bottom, the rotary blade, when it was spinning, it was hitting the plates on the bottom. And you can actually adjust this middle tray by taking it out, by just leaning it forward like that, and it has some extra wheels on the bottom to make it higher, to bring it up to the top, which I'll do. Very easy to use. Put that side on, and there we go. Now it's higher. That's not going to happen anymore for us. And the last tray is the cutlery tray. Knives and forks, plenty of room in there. Lie them in different positions. Right, what I'm going to do now is run a cycle just to show you how the machine works. Put some pots in. Hi, welcome back. Now the dishwasher is full. Got our pots in there, ready to go. Now, starting with the program, we're going to switch it on again, and we're going to choose the program. And as you can see, it's switching to different ones, and we're going to go to the top line, the middle one, which is a normal at 55 degrees Celsius, This half button is for the half load, remember, like before. We've chosen that. And now all I need to do is close the door. Actually not close the door, I forgot the tablet. Now, using the tablet, this is the critical bit, because what we've done, we bought the Furry Platinum all-in-one tablets. You can see that. Now, we also bought the Care Pack W Pro all-in-one to go with the dishwasher, and these dishwasher tablets are a different size. And as you can see, the two of them very different. The Furry can be very expensive, and what we've come across is that the little compartment that stores the tablet is too small for the Furry ones. But the W Pro all-in-one tablets that we acquired, and there we go, perfect. Sit in there just nice. That's only one downfall that we've found. Give the machine a couple of minutes before it turns on. And there we go. Back in 5.
Go.
Hi guys, back again. The cycle's finished now, and you can see the end product. Oh, as you can see, glistening clean.
Right, okay, go on.
Thanks for watching my review. Goodbye.